How you can pay on Alibaba from the Philippines. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, go to the Alibaba website or open the Alibaba app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now, search for the product you want to buy. Once you find it, click on it to see more details. Then, click the Start Order or Contact Supplier button. After that, choose the quantity you want to order. Then, click Next to go to the payment page. On the payment page, you will see different payment options. You can choose to pay with a credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Some sellers also accept PayPal or other methods. If you're in the Philippines, you can also use DragonPay. DragonPay lets you pay through online banking, over-the-counter, or convenience stores. Just select DragonPay and follow the steps. Once you choose your payment method, enter your payment details. Make sure everything is correct, then click Pay Now to complete your order. After you pay, you will get a confirmation message. You can check your order status in the My Orders section of your account. And that's it. That's how you can pay on Alibaba from the Philippines.